ever wondered what's the best food to start your day? It's a question that has puzzled many for centuries. With so many options available, it's easy to get overwhelmed. But fear not, because today, we're going to explore some of the healthiest and most nutritious breakfast options that not only kickstart your metabolism, but also keep you feeling full and energized throughout the day. If you're enjoying this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more healthy eating tips and tricks. First on our list is oatmeal. This heart-healthy breakfast staple is rich in fiber, which aids in digestion and helps control blood sugar levels. Plus, it's a blank canvas for a variety of tasty toppings like fresh fruits, nuts, and a drizzle of honey. Next up, we have Greek yogurt. This creamy, protein-packed delight can be paired with granola or fresh fruits for an added nutritional punch. It's also a great source of probiotics that promote a healthy gut. Eggs, a breakfast classic, are not to be overlooked. They are a powerhouse of protein and contain essential nutrients like vitamin D and choline. Whether it's scrambled, poached, or boiled, eggs are a versatile option that can be enjoyed in many ways. Avocado toast is not just a trendy Instagram breakfast. The humble avocado is packed with healthy fats and fiber. Paired with whole grain bread, it makes for a balanced meal that keeps you satiated. Smoothies are an excellent choice for those who are always on the go. They are a quick and easy way to pack in a ton of nutrients. Just blend together your favorite fruits with some leafy greens and a protein source like Greek yogurt or a scoop of protein powder. Lastly, we have chia seed pudding. Chia seeds are tiny nutritional powerhouses loaded with fiber, protein, and omega-3 fatty acids. Soaking them overnight in milk or a dairy-free alternative creates a pudding-like consistency that's perfect for breakfast. In summary, a healthy breakfast should be rich in fiber, protein, and healthy fats. Oatmeal, Greek yogurt, eggs, avocado toast, smoothies, and chia seed pudding are all excellent choices. Remember, variety is the spice of life, so don't hesitate to mix and match these options to create a breakfast that's both nutritious and delicious. To wrap up, starting your day with a nutrient-dense breakfast can help boost your metabolism, regulate your blood sugar levels, and keep you feeling full and energized throughout the day. So, the next time you're wondering about the best food to start your day, you know you've got plenty of healthy options to choose from.